So your headlights won't turn on, either one of them, both of them, maybe your high beams come on, but the regular lights don't turn on. Let's get it fixed. Now, one of the things you want to make sure when you're doing this is to turn off the headlights, because once you replace it, if you're handling a bulb that suddenly turns on, it's going to be very bright in your face and get very hot very quickly. You don't want to be handling a hot bulb. In this video, I'm working on an 08 Toyota Corolla. These steps are almost universal to any make and model car. The problem could be caused by a wide range of issues, so we'll start with the most simple things and then get to the more difficult stuff. First, you just want to check and see if the headlight is burned out. Now, this was a difficult camera angle, but I wanted to show you how to take out a headlight. Most headlights just have a twist and pull, and the headlight is out. That's all you have to do. And put it back in, you just put it in and twist it, and it locks in place. To inspect the bulb, just look at it, see if it has any burn marks. Maybe the glass is broken, or the little metal filament inside is broken off. You can see it rolling around there. That's a clear indicator that your bulb needs to be replaced. If that's it, then just put in the new bulb, and when you do, avoid touching the glass. Any kind of grease on the glass is going to insulate the glass. It can either break the bulb or just shorten the lifespan tremendously, because these light bulbs get very hot. So if you try that, turn on the lights, and it still doesn't work, let's go to the fuse box. Now, on the Corolla, the fuse box is located on the driver's side to the right of the battery. And if it's not there on your car, you could look on the driver's side under the dash. There's a fuse box there typically. And as you open the lid of the fuse box on this one, and many fuse boxes will have kind of a map of which fuses are connected to which circuits. So here you can see the right headlight, the left headlight. But let's look at the fuses first. There's a fuse puller, and in this case there are some spare fuses. So pull out the fuses that apply to the issue and take a look. A working fuse has a fully connected piece of metal. It's kind of this S-shaped. And a burned out fuse, there's a gap. The metal is broken and separated. The circuit's broken. So find any fuses that need to be replaced and try it then. Next, we have a relay. So in the car that I'm working on, it had burned out headlights and a stuck relay. When you flick the switch for the headlights or the high beams in the car, you can actually hear the relay working from this fuse box. And the Corolla has two of the exact same relays, one for the high beams, one for the headlights. So you can just swap it out and see if that works. Now, if you swap it out and it works, just go get yourself another relay. I will put a link in the description where you can pick up some good headlights, some relays, fuses, all that stuff. So you replace the relay, maybe a fuse, and you should be back. Now, some of the more difficult things, so you could have a nick in the wiring or even the switch on the steering column. Those do, from time to time, go out and need to be replaced. But you probably noticed that the lenses, this plastic, clear plastic that goes over the front of the headlights, is very hazy. I have some other videos on this channel, and I will be using some new products for cleaning headlights as well. That really makes a huge night and day difference, both on your visibility at night and the resale value of the car. If the headlights look hazy, it gives an overall drab look to the car. If they're nice and clean and clear, it really increases the general impression of that this is a quality car. So you want to do that. Check out my channel for those. If this video was helpful, I really do appreciate feedback. If you give it a thumbs up, if you leave a comment, let me know what you think. Did I leave anything else out? But overall, thanks for watching, and I really hope that this solved your problem.